This is a 2003 GMC Sierra 2500 four-door extended cab, one owner, 4x4 with 99,000 miles. Obviously the vehicle is running. It is fully serviced. It needs absolutely nothing mechanically or cosmetically. Like all of our vehicles, we perform 125-point certified pre-owned inspection on everything that we sell. When you buy a vehicle from us, it will not need a thing. On top of that, we offer a best price guarantee. If you find a comparable one for sale in our market, please let us know and we will gladly beat their price. So yes, you're getting a certified pre-owned vehicle with a best price guarantee. You're not going to find that anywhere in the market. For pit pricing, more pictures including undercarriage pictures, please feel free to visit our website, autoparadisetx.com. That's autoparadisetx.com. So a little bit about this truck. It is a one-owner Texas vehicle, rust-free. It is a 4x4. It has a tow package. It also has a gooseneck or fifth wheel. And then it has an auxiliary fuel pump that's located in the toolbox. And there is a fuel gauge in the vehicle for it, as well as a switch for the fuel pump. I'll show you that more in a second. There's another tow package. This truck is extremely clean. It has running boards. Tires are like new. Extremely clean truck. Fully serviced, no blow-by. It also has a right there for if you want to pull something, if you want to pull it. The gray cloth interior is in great condition, no rips or tears. Look at the center console lid, in great shape. Factory AM FM CD, sorry about that. That's from the video, it actually does not do that. There's your fuel gauge, tow brake. There's the switch for the fuel pump, 4x4, 99,000 miles. No crack dash. Again, everything works. Power driver seat, power windows, locks, mirrors, and cruise control. Running boards. So again, this is a 2003 Chevy Silverado 2500 4x4, four-door extended cab, 99,000 miles, one owner, rust-free, just in absolutely remarkable condition for its age. Needs nothing.